watching OS TV.
You are watching Hops Chucks at US TV, and we are learning chuck moves. This is your figure 8. So first things first, guys, we're gonna work on a big striking motion to the inside of our body. And as we do that, we're gonna rotate our arm to the outside, like we're rowing a boat. This motion right here is gonna help you guys understand how your arms and wrists are supposed to move on your figure 8. So we're going in and out. Once we understand this motion, we'll start to bend our arm just a little bit and use more of our wrist. And the more wrist you use, the more speed you'll get. And you'll keep that rotation moving in and out, in and out. And eventually you want to get to a point where you're not using much of your arm and you're mainly using wrist. Remember, wrist is where you get the most speed. And that is your figure 8.
You're watching OS TV.